Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change your earrings that you're wearing on SuperStylist game. So let's get started. First of all, open the SuperStylist app on your device. Here, tap on the clothes that you're wearing. Now wait for some time. Then you can find dresses. Choose any of your choice first. Then select the green tick icon. Now that you have chosen dresses, you can choose your earrings too. Tap on the earring section and then select the earrings of your choice. Once you're done, tap on the green tick icon. And that's it. This is how you can choose the set of earrings on SuperStylist game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.